A very good morning, everyone.
Hi everyone.
Today I am going to deliver my speech on brain drain. Brain drain, to put it in simpler language, means people who study in their own nation and after study they go to foreign countries to work and earn money. Brain drain has actually become a problem and a subject of worry for the underdeveloped and developing countries like India. 70% students in these countries think that there are much better opportunities outside India to work, but they forget that this act actually is affecting the per capita income and hence the national income of that country. Students study here, take all the knowledge from their native country, and when it comes to do something in their nation and add to the national income, they go abroad saying that India doesn't have career opportunities. These students who go to foreign nation to earn should understand that for all the social levels that are prevailing in society, they are responsible somehow or the other, because instead of developing their own country, they take their studies to another country and add to the national income of that country. While on the other hand, in countries like India, the eating and consuming population keeps on increasing while the earning population lessens due to this brain drain. Indians, especially the youth, has to understand that for all the social levels that are prevailing in society, they are responsible. So they should understand that today India is not less than any other country in the world. India has made a drastic advancement in all fields, be it science and technology, education, entertainment, and yes, not to forget the organizing of IPL. Then why do we need to go out of this wonderful nation when our own country provides us a lots of job opportunities? We have to serve the country. Let's be a part of India, do jobs here and utilize your talent for your nation. Money is not the matter, but relations value more. Let's establish a strong bond and relationship with your country. We just have to search a little more and do a little more hard work. Then one day, all Indians would be employed according to their capabilities and India will be the golden bird of our dreams once again. Thank you and have a good day.